Bob, I need my boob. Oh, let's get some air. Pedestrian speeds for real. Come on, why don't they always just sit in this lane? Come on, buddy, move! András said he's going to be out at 2 minutes 2. Let's see if we can get there before it's 2. Go! Over jump. Beat it. Beat the 2 o'clock. What's that, 390? I need fuel and a Red Bull. Guys are good. See, if I give money to someone on a website, because in their website they're responsible for their stock, so they should know how much of what they've got in stock and then update their website accordingly. I thought that I was buying it from the company that, you know, manufactured them. If I'm paying money to someone for a product, I expect them to have it when I give them the money, not be like, oh, you've given me the money for it, let me go see if I can get it for you. Yeah, but no one else sells them, so I'm in a bit of a pickle as what to do. If I do cancel it, then I'm still going to be without. They said, oh, deliveries were delayed or stockists because of COVID-19, then that's fair enough, but they didn't. I think they just have a habit of selling stuff that they don't have, and I think, you know, you need to be transparent on your website if you do or don't have something. I don't mind having to wait. What I mind at is the fact that it had been over 2 weeks with no communication on delivery, and I said, oh, can you send me the shipping number, because I assumed, because it's coming from America, you know, 2 weeks gone, it was already in transit and I was just waiting for it to arrive. So I emailed them, said, can you send me the shipping information? That's when they replied, a few days after I emailed them, oh, it's not in stock, we're waiting for it to come in. Alright, so you didn't even have the decency to email me. You wait for over 2 weeks, you know, wait for me to chase up.
Look at the view.
Ooh. God, I wonder how many people that come down there ended up in that field. Ah, here he is again. See you.
No, but it's pretty easy on the fence. Put the tank on.
Not the best place to stop right on the corner. Yeah, that was a bit bumpy. I avoided the main bit and it's still bumpy. Ooh, got to stay out in the middle. A lot of gravel in the middle of this road. Goats, the fainting goats. And goats are hilarious.
Let's get Boo out. Come on, buddy. Scoop. And there he goes. Shake it off. You can do it.
I'd really love to have one in my front garden. So whenever a stranger comes, they ring the doorbell, the goat just gets scared and falls over. You open the door, you're like, what did you do to my goat? You killed my goat. Ooh.